There we have something happening at Opoda Farm, Joe Ageo. Maybe you could tell us, what does that mean for the benefit, now that we are...
So just a little bit of context. That is the Opoda Farm is really Raila's rural home.
Okay.
Has moved away from his father's Kango Kajaramogi. I remember this took me back to 1994 when I was a university student and the father died, and we drove there in buses to go for that funeral. But basically what those people are saying, this is the bound to turn political at every turn. Basically, they're saying there's no one Baba has ever killed. This is, I think, something that is reminiscent of the campaigns, should have been 2017. Kind of contrasting him with other politicians, that, there are politicians who've been accused of killing this person and the other person, and so on. And so just saying, sort of like the way he used to say, Mweupe kama pamba, sort of saying this guy has not done those terrible things that other people have done. But I think that such a chant would come at this time is very telling in terms of the kind of conversations we might be having going forward. The last time I was at this home, by the way, was in December of 2018, and that time I was interviewing him on, his reflections on the handshake, sort of these interviews we get around about the end of the year, because earlier in that year,